OpenClaw just got a massive upgrade, and most people have no idea it exists yet. There's a brand new open source tool called PaperClip that lets you build an entire AI-powered company with 0 employees, not one chatbot, not one assistant, a full team of AI agents with an org chart, job titles, and a task system, all running your business. And before you think I'm not technical enough for this, you don't need to write a single line of code to get started. And this is 100% free and open source. And before you think like I've seen agent tools before, you haven't seen anything like this. This isn't another chatbot. This is a virtual company where AI agents have bosses, get assigned work, check in on a schedule, and actually coordinate with each other. So today I'm going to break this down step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, how it works, etc. I've already got it installed directly inside OpenClaw, and you can easily connect this to your OpenClaw. It looks something like this once you set it up. Now, you can actually see the dashboard here. So you can connect agents and you can have kind of like an org chart, etc. whilst you're running this. And you can see a little demo of how it works right here. Pretty cool stuff. So let's get straight into exactly how to install this and how it works step by step. So literally to install it, all you need to do is you grab the GitHub link like so. Then you can go over to OpenClaw and just say install this. Once it's done, it's going to say something like this: PaperClip is up and running. Here's a summary. And then from here, you can just get it set up, right? So you can see we've got this detail, right? So for example, if I put my company name and then we put the mission and goal. So we're going to say, okay, help grow the AI profit boardroom, my AI automation community, right? We'll put that as a goal. And then inside here, you can create your first AI agent, right? So for example, it could be with your OpenClaw gateway. It could be Codex. It could be open code. We can actually configure OpenClaw directly inside the chat once we're done. And then from here, we can get started, right? So we can now select Claude Sonnet. We're just going to test that works, and that's working nicely. And then from here, we can actually give it something to do, right? So we could say, okay, set yourself up as a CEO, use the CEO persona found right here, ensure you have folder agents/CEO, and then download the agents MD, blah, blah, blah. And after finish that, you'll hire yourself as a founding engineer, right? And so we're ready to launch. We've got the company, we've got the AI agent CEO, and we can now create our CEO heartbeat, right? So we're going to open that issue. And then from here, we have enabled the agent, and this is our dashboard, right? So we have a dashboard, and you can see it's now beginning to start working with Claude Code. Inside here, we have the inbox. We can also add issues and goals. We have the CEO who's live and running. Right, you can see he's running here with the assignment we just gave him. And then you've got the org chart, activity and that sort of thing. And then inside the settings here, we can actually generate an OpenClaw invite, right? So using this, we can invite people to our environment. So what this means is we can connect OpenClaw directly to our PaperClip. So I'm just going to do that in the background, and you can just paste that command directly into OpenClaw. And once you've done that, it's going to onboard to PaperClip. Now, to get this working, I'm using GPT 5.4 OAuth with PaperClip, and that's how it's working. And it's now beginning to do this in the background. And then if we go back to our dashboard now, we can get the CEO to create more agents underneath it, right? So it says, we recommend letting your CEO agent handle the setup. They know the org structure and can configure reporting permissions and adapters, right? Then you can ask the CEO to create more agents. So from here, we can say, okay, create a new agent, and then you type in the details here. So we're going to say, okay, marketing officer who's an expert in marketing AI automation communities, right? We'll then create that. And what is going to happen next is the CEO will bring on a marketing officer into our marketing team, right? And so you can see how you can quickly build out an example like this. Now, we've also got, if we check the inbox over here, we've got a request from OpenClaw to join the team too. So I'm just going to approve that. And now we have OpenClaw connected to Claude Code inside our organization. And if you have a look at the org chart, you can see here that we're beginning to build this out with our AI agents working together. So we have OpenClaw underneath the CEO, and then we can configure it. We can assign tasks to OpenClaw as well. So we can say, okay, YouTube video ideas. We can say, okay, come up with a list of YouTube video ideas in the AI automation industry based on the latest AI news today. And then we could say, focus on new tool releases plus cool new tutorials to create. For example, how to set up OpenClaw in one click, or how to set up PaperClip with OpenClaw. Must be absolute bangers, right? And then we can create this, and this will give a new task to OpenClaw as well. Now, if you get any errors like this, we can go back to OpenClaw and say fix this. And then you can see inside OpenClaw, it can now begin to start fixing the issues with the integration. So just one thing to bear in mind there is sometimes it might not work first time round, but it's beginning to work its magic. Min says, nice PaperClip is beautiful UI rather than OpenClaw. We'll try. Semi says, is it a paid app? No, it's free. And Dog says, PaperClip looks cool. This may be what I'm looking for. Yeah, I think if you want to build like autonomous teams that work together, then this is a really cool way to do it. Now, if we go back to our inbox, you can see here that we've got some approvals needing our response. So for example, the CMO to hire the chief marketing officer using Claude is now ready to be brought onto the team. And if we go back to the org chart, you can see it's been updated. So now we have the CEO, OpenClaw, and the CMO working together as a team, right? So we can now assign tasks to the CMO as well. So we could say, right, okay, content marketing ideas. Come up with new strategies to market AI automation community. And now that assignment's running, and we can see it working in the background, right? And so we've got the CEO working away, we've got the CMO working away together, we've got the organization structure. You can track the costs here as well. And then you've got the activity, so all the things that have been created, and we have the dashboard over here as well. Right, so over here we can actually see all the agents work together, what they're working on, etc. Is this open source? Yes, it's open source. It's available on GitHub. You can get it via PaperClip on GitHub, as you can see right here. And yeah, it's basically an open source orchestration for 0 human companies. Right, and it's an interesting way. It's like if OpenClaw is an employee, PaperClip is the company that runs it. Right. So just to recap on this. What PaperClip does is completely different. It doesn't just give you one AI helper, it gives you an entire organizational structure like a real company, except every single employee is an AI agent, right? And so what we've actually created is this AI agent team framework. And this is a system for turning PaperClip and OpenClaw into a full AI team that runs your business. And there's 5 layers to this. So you got the mission control layer. This way you define the goal of your AI company. Right, like we were talking about before. So you could say, okay, for example, become the top ranked AI automation community, and you just give it a goal to work towards. PaperClip takes that goal, and every single task your AI agent does traces back to that. So your agents aren't just doing random stuff, they always know the why behind what they're doing. The next up is the org chart, right? So if we go back to the organizational chart inside here, which you can see, and you can actually see that it's now created a founding engineer as well inside the team. So the CEO is working in the background and working his magic. And now we've got 4 people in the team, right? It's just building out the team, which is pretty crazy. But with the org chart, if we go back here, this is where it gets wild. You literally build an organizational chart like a real company, except every role is filled by an AI agent. So for example, you could have like a CEO agent who oversees strategy and delegates. You could have a CTO that handles all the technical decisions, a content manager that plans and produces content, right? An SEO specialist that optimizes everything for Google. Each agent has a job title, a description, and a boss they report to. And then you got the heartbeat layer, right? And this is the interesting thing as well. And this, you know, how it works so well with OpenClaw as well. So for example, here it says, you know, your AI agents don't just sit there waiting for you to tell them what to do. They wake up on a schedule and check for new work, complete the tasks, and go back to sleep. right? And so you could set up your content manager agent to wake up every morning at 6 a.m., check the content calendar, write 3 blog posts, and submit them for review, right? And then it's just waiting for you. And then there's a government layer, the governance layer as well, right? So for example, if we go back to the inbox here, you can see that the CEO has sent a request to hire a founding engineer, right? And so we can approve or reject that. We can view the details over here and how it works. Essentially, the CEO just did that whilst I was talking to you, right? And so PaperClip doesn't just let agents run wild. You're the board of directors. You approve hires, right? Which agents get added. You set the budgets, you review the strategy, and you can pause or remove any agents at any time, right? So there are these approvals inside the inbox. So if an agent wants to do something big, it has to get your sign off first. And then layer 5 is really the multi-company layer, right? So one single PaperClip setup could actually run multiple companies, completely isolated, but you could have multiple companies. So for example, for me, I've got an SEO agency, but I've also got an AI automation community, and I could have them all running through PaperClip, all running simultaneously, all managed from one dashboard, all powered by AI agents. So that's basically it for how to set up PaperClip, how it works together, etc., how to use it. You can see some examples here, so we can approve getting this agent onboarded, and now we've got 4 agents inside the organization. As you can see, that's basically how it works. Now, we do have a 30-day plan for implementing this stuff, as you can see right here inside the video notes from today. And also we have a list of 100 prompts that you can use this for. So for example, like company setup prompts, research agent prompts, content agent prompts, everything you need to really start winning with this stuff inside the AI Profit Boardroom as well. But that's basically it. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get all the video notes from today, the prompts, the 30-day plan, etc., you can get that inside the AI Profit Boardroom, along with a full 6-hour course on how to use OpenClaw, another 3-hour course right here. We update this daily with new guides every single day, new video tutorials, new step-by-step guides, etc. And this is my AI automation community, the AI Profit Boardroom. Link in the comments description, or go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com. The goal for everyone who joins is to learn, grow, and scale with AI automation. So, for example, here you can see we do a weekly post where I filter out all the noise, all my research, and I'm like, here's what's useful, here's what you can ignore, right? You can also post inside the community, get help and support whenever you want to. You can additionally join our daily accountability group, so you can post your goals. So, for example, Kevin is working on using OpenClaw and setting up some new skills today. Inside the calendar, you can get weekly video coaching calls, so you can get coaching calls, help and support. You can meet people in your local area, so you can just zoom into your local area and DM people who are local to you, like you see right here. And then you can say, hey, do you want to meet up or jump on a Zoom call or that sort of thing? So it's easy to connect with people. And you might be saying, okay, well, are people getting results of this? And you can see that we actually have over 136 pages of wins and testimonials from people who are crushing it with AI, right? And these are all people from the school training. So lots of cool wins here. It's basically an infinite scroll right here. And lots of cool stuff going on. Lots of cool people inside there. And then additionally, inside the classroom here, you can go from beginner to expert with AI automation and learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. You can also check out the playbook here that shows you how to automate AI avatar videos, Instagram, shorts, newsletters, Twitter, etc. And then also you get the daily updates inside this section. So I know, for example, Dog said, can you do a deep dive on this, please? Right. So inside the video notes from today, we have a super deep dive report, as you can see. So it gives you a 30-day plan, 100 prompts, talks about all the things that you shouldn't let hold you back, like the mindset stuff. And then also talks about the old way and the new way, and gives you 100 prompts on how to use this. So you can really go deep on the training inside the AI Profit Boardroom. And you can also learn how to get more agency clients here. You can watch about the coaching calls. You can learn how to rank #1 with AI SEO. You can also learn how to grow a YouTube channel based on what's working for me over here too. So that's all inside here. And then Min says, let's see how the CEO can manage marketing teams to produce content. Yeah, it's pretty cool what you can do with this. Dog says, I'm setting up PaperClip today. Happy to help. I need this. Says, yeah, the one thing that I want to say is just be careful when you install stuff like this. Just check the skill MD files and that sort of thing. I always install this stuff to show you like what's possible, but you can see how cool this is. You could probably even build your own via OpenClaw as well if you wanted to connect them directly. Omar asked about security. So with OpenClaw, if you're worried about that sort of stuff, check out our guide inside the AI Profit Boardroom on Maltworker, right? Maltworker runs directly through Cloudflare, and Cloudflare protects most of the internet. So if you want a more secure way of setting up Maltworker, of setting up OpenClaw, you can check out our trainings on More Worker, and that will show you exactly how to do it. And then Roland says, how do we get it? So you just go to PaperClip on GitHub to get it, and then ask OpenClaw to set up. And then Simon says, what would happen if OpenClaw starts? Yeah. So like with OpenClaw, I mean, OpenAI have just hired Peter Steinberger, the founder of OpenClaw, and they said that they're keeping OpenClaw open source, right? So it's always going to be free, and you can bring your own, local AIs to run it as well. So you can actually run it for free with Olama as well. So thanks so much for watching. That is everything today. See you on the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.